Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix virtual disk service error. The volume size is too big in Windows 11, 10. FAT32 format storage device cannot handle files larger than 4 GB. Type format FS equal to NTFS space, quick. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.